suppose we got this situation, the angle between the tangents drawn from the point this. Okay, so these guys are talking about tangents. So this point must be outside the parabola. Then only you will think about tangents, not tangent. Okay, and look at this. This is standard parabola. So it is, do you remember the condition for tangency? Y equals mx plus, for C it was A equals to mc. So here A is what? A is 1. So can I say that A equals to mc, means 1 equals to mc. So in place of C, can I write 1 by m? Correct? And you also know that your tangent should pass through the point 1 comma 4. So it should satisfy the point 1 comma 4. So it is 4 m plus 1 by m. Now do cross multiplication and we will have m square minus 4m plus 1 equals to 0. Now I'll go with m1 and m2. Okay, so it is minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. So it is 4 plus or minus, can I go with like it is 12. So 4 3s are 12. So 2 root 3 by 2. So can I go with 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3, m1 m2. So we got both the slopes and we are interested in finding angle. So angle is what? Tan theta is m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2, है ना? Suppose that this is m2, suppose. So if this is m2, 2 plus root 3 minus 2 plus root 3 upon 1 plus, it is a plus b into a minus b. So it is a square minus b square. So 2 square is 4 minus root 3 square is 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, this thing gone. Okay, so can I write 2 root 3 by 2? So 2 gone. We are left with root 3. So who is root 3? Can I write it as tan pi by 3? Okay, so can I write the angle is pi by 3? Okay, so the angle between those tangents is 60 degree. I hope the idea is clear. If you are not comfortable with the approach, please let me know. I will solve the same question with different approach. Okay, with different idea. Okay, or else what I'll do, look at this. You know that this point is lying outside. So we will have pair of tangents. So what we will do? S1 equals t square. So this is what? Combined equation of line. Correct? So combined equation of line, if we will get, we can factorize. You know it will look ugly, but it will become perfect square. Okay, so then you will find independent lines. So if you got independent lines, you have to find out slope of line 1, slope of line 2, and then again you will apply the same formula. Okay, now I hope things are clear now.